So let's see today's lovely sub sandwich recipe. Now I've taken about 150 grams of chicken, just sauteed it in some olive oil after cubing it. Now I'm taking 4 tablespoons of red chili sauce and half a tablespoon of olive oil. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and just mix the two really well together. So this is a real, if you prepare everything and keep ahead of time, you can just assemble this up really quickly and it's really delicious. Now I'm just going to season it with some pepper powder, about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Also 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can also go with paprika, and some salt to taste. Just mix all of this together really, really well. Now you can adjust the sauce or the pepper, the salt according to your taste too. Now we're just going to add this cubed and cooked chicken, and we're just going to mix all of this really well together. So cut up the chicken into cubes and just saute it in some olive oil. Now I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of vinegar and mix everything together. And now we're going to just dry this mixture a bit. We don't want any of the liquid. So on a low to medium flame, without covering the pan, just cook it up till it dries up a bit. Now here I'm using this English oven Subway bread. This is not a sponsored video, but this bread is it's got herbs in it, and you get it already pre-cut. Now I'm just going to take some cheese slices and cut it lengthwise like this, and I'm going to place it on the bread like this. Now I'm going to put this into my microwave and heat it for 1 minute till the cheese melts. Now in our veggies, I have some lettuce, which is thinly cut, some thinly sliced up onions, thinly sliced up capsicum, some thinly sliced cucumbers, some thinly sliced tomatoes. So I'm just going to place the veggies on top of the melted cheese like this. First I'm going to start by the lettuce. So just cut the lettuce really fine into these long shreds like this. So this sub is really delicious with all these lovely veggies. Then I'm going to just place the very thinly sliced cucumber over it. Next, I'm going to add some thinly sliced up capsicum. You could also go with the red bell peppers and the yellow bell peppers to make it look more colorful. Then I'm going to add these thinly sliced tomatoes. I've just taken out the seed so there's no extra moisture. And then I'm just going to add this thinly sliced onion. Next, I'm going to add some jalapenos. So just place them nicely all over so that every bite has, a piece of all the veggies. I just thought I'd pop in and let you know about my Amazon storefront. Go and check it out. The link is down in the description box below. It's products that I generally buy on Amazon or I would recommend with regard to best prices and good quality. So go and check out the link. Now I've just added the cooked chicken, and now we're going to add all the sauces. So I'm going to start by adding some mayonnaise. Next, I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. Now these sauces are all easily available. I'm using the Viva brand. Again, this is not a sponsored video. Next, I'm going to add some Southwest Chipotle sauce. You can add as little or as much as you want. Some sweet onion sauce. This is some jalapeno cheese sauce. This is in the Amul brand. Again, not sponsored, guys. A little mustard sauce just applied on the bread. I'm using a little bit of English mustard. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some pepper powder and some salt to taste. And then just close up the sub and enjoy. Do try out this recipe, guys. It's super, super delicious. You just can't stop at one.
today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.